Okinawa is one of the world's blue zones, regions known for having the longest living people. The secret to longevity isn't just diet. Daily natural movement also plays a major role. Okinawan elders unknowingly engage in light but consistent physical activity throughout the day while working in their gardens. These natural movements protect joints, keep muscles active, and support overall health. However, gardening is not just physical activity for them. Contact with the soil is also mentally relaxing. Tending to plants, touching the soil, and connecting with nature can help reduce mental noise, lower stress, and maintain mental balance. Time spent in the garden is almost like a meditative ritual for many Okinawans. Consuming the produce they grow themselves is also an important lifestyle habit. They grow seasonal vegetables in their gardens and consume food that is as fresh, natural, and seasonal as possible. This both improves the quality of their nutrition and allows them to form a stronger bond with nature. For this reason, gardening in Okinawa is seen as a holistic lifestyle habit that combines movement, mental calmness, and natural nutrition. Now let's discover the secrets of these traditional gardening habits in Okinawa together. These simple yet effective methods help keep the body active and build a stronger connection with nature. But first, I'd love to see your comments. Dear followers, where in the world are you watching me from, and what time is it there right now? I'm also curious, do you grow vegetables, fruits, or beautiful flowers? What do you have in your garden or on your balcony? Share it with me in the comments. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me. Now, let's dive into the details of Okinawa's inspiring gardening habits together. Here are 5 traditional gardening habits inspired by the Okinawan lifestyle. 1. Squatting while working with plants. Okinawan gardeners prefer squatting rather than bending at the waist when planting or weeding. This position gently works the legs, hips, and core muscles while also helping to maintain flexibility. You've probably heard of the Japanese habit of squatting. This habit contributes to maintaining the body's flexibility thanks to the natural squatting position known as the deep squat. Even people in their 80s and 90s in Okinawa continue to tend to their gardens this way. This movement both stretches the body and provides a natural activity within daily life. At the same time, it is not just a physical movement. Working with soil is a relaxing and calming experience for many people. Think of a flower. Even at home, when you change the soil in a pot, you feel so relaxed. Now imagine doing this with a garden instead of a small pot. Regularly tending to plants provides both natural physical activity and mental relaxation. In a sense, you experience a feeling of grounding by connecting with nature. This can be a very beneficial habit for both the body and mind. 2. Hand pulling weeds. Pulling weeds by hand allows for slow and controlled movement of the arms, shoulders, and back. This low-impact movement provides daily activity without tiring the body. 3. Rhythmic pruning movements. Pruning plants and cutting branches creates repetitive arm movements. These movements increase circulation, strengthen the arms and wrists, and can also create a calming, meditative effect. I helped my aunt prune the plants in her garden. The next day, my arms ached all day. When done regularly, these movements strengthen the arms, wrists, and grip strength. You may have noticed that people who are interested in gardening have high hand and wrist strength, even in old age. This is why the elderly in Okinawa have good grip and mobility, strong hands. and can easily do their daily chores. The cutting movements made during pruning activate not only the arms, but also both arms and the chest area, meaning that a movement that seems simple is actually a beneficial exercise for the entire upper body. 4. Working the soil with small tools. A real-life example. In Japan, there was Uncle Hiroshi, who had his own greenhouse and field. As a child, I used to help him. Uncle Hiroshi would make small holes in the soil, and I would place the seeds in them. Even though Uncle Hiroshi was in his 90s, he still walked upright, and his garden was a great passion for him. Working the soil and tending to plants not only helped him stay physically active, it also gave him life energy and a daily purpose. Lightly digging, mixing, or working the soil with small tools engages the upper body and core muscles. These movements naturally activate the functional muscles used in modern exercise routines. Performing these simple movements regularly in the garden not only strengthens muscles, but also supports balance, coordination, and everyday movements. Working the soil by hand or with a small shovel is a great way to keep the body flexible and active without putting excessive strain on the joints. This process is also mentally satisfying. Touching the soil, caring for plants, and seeing the results of your own labor keeps both the body and mind active and helps reduce daily stress. 5. Daily garden. Walk and observation. Okinawans check their gardens every day, observe their plants, and do small maintenance tasks. These simple but regular walks keep them moving throughout the day and keep both body and mind active. Sometimes they ride their bikes to their gardens, harvest the vegetables they grow, and return home. This small routine provides both daily physical activity and a connection with nature. Many people in Okinawa have their own garden or small field. This allows them to make daily interaction with nature, contact with the soil, and light physical activity a routine. These simple habits are one of the cornerstones of a long and healthy life. Sometimes they ride their bikes to their gardens, pick the vegetables they have grown, and return home. This small routine provides both daily physical activity and a connection with nature. Many people in Okinawa have their own garden or small field, allowing them to make daily interaction with nature, contact with the soil, and light physical activity a routine part of their lives. These simple habits are one of the cornerstones of a long and healthy life. These simple yet effective habits are an important part of Okinawan culture. The goal isn't intense exercise, it's about moving constantly and naturally within daily life. Gardening can therefore be a calming and healthy routine for both body and mind. Dear followers, do you also tend to plants in your gardens or on your balconies? Share in the comments. I'm curious. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me. Let's discover more secrets to healthy living and natural movement together.